The overall goal of this procedure is to perform an autologous extracorporeal perfusion of porcine liver and kidney to study the differences from liver-only perfusion. This is accomplished by first harvesting the liver and kidney from the sacrificed pig and then preserving the organs on ice. Next, the organs are connected to a custom-made perfusion circuit primed with oxygenated normothermic autologous blood. The pressures and flows through the portal vein, hepatic artery, and renal artery are monitored to ensure that they're maintained at physiological levels. Finally, the perfusion is continued for a minimum of 6 hours, with regular measurement of arterial blood gases, liver and renal function, and glucose and cytokine levels. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show improved glycemic control and metabolic acidosis in the ex vivo liver-kidney perfusion system by comparing data on ex vivo liver-only perfusion.
The main advantage of this technique over existing method, like liver-only ex vivo perfusion model, is that adding an additional kidney to the system adds a dialysis function.
Generally, users new to these techniques will struggle because there is a great variation to the hepatic arterial anatomy, and it is crucial to ensure good access to the hepatic artery is secured in a timely manner for optimal organ preservation.
Visual demonstration of this technique is critical because in addition to the difficult surgical technique, the orientation of the kidney and the liver, priming the circuit and maintaining the circuit are all very difficult. Hopefully, visualizing how we set this up will avoid the pitfalls that we've encountered along the way.